elnuestra.online, plataforma educativa Moodle de la unidad educativa privada Nuestra Señora del Camino. Recurso pedagógico para Educación Media General, primer año.
Hello guys, today we are going to talk about personal pronouns and their to-be verb. This is the objective of the class. I want to teach you how to use the pronouns and the verbs using the main structures in the right way. The pronouns. The singular ones are am, your, his, she's, its. These are contractions of I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. The short forms with apostrophes are contractions. The plural ones are we're, your, their. These last ones are the contractions of we are, you are, they are. Again, the short forms with apostrophes are contractions. We use it to talk about names, ages, feelings, nationalities, professions, and to describe something or someone. Here you have some examples of this. The structure. We have the affirmative sentences, subject plus to-be verb plus complement, and we have negative sentences, subject plus to-be plus not plus complement. Remember that we can make contractions like this. We have the to-be verb are plus not. That's why we have aren't. Or we have is plus not, then we have isn't. These are contractions. Interrogative sentences. First, you are going to write or put the to-be verb, then the subject, and finally the complement. And please don't forget the question mark. Here you have some examples. Affirmative answers, you have to add the word yes, and in the negative answers, you add the word no. Here you have more examples. Remember, we use the to-be verb for talking about names, ages, feelings, nationalities, and professions, and for describing something or someone. The contractions are short forms of the verb and another word. So here you have the list of them. This is the activity of the class. Complete the following sentences. Here you have the subject and the complement, but you have to add what is the right to be verb according to the noun, according to the name, or according to the pronoun. It was the whole class, guys. I hope you understood. Bye.
elnuestra.online, plataforma educativa Moodle de la unidad educativa privada Nuestra Señora del Camino.